3D Systems has announced a new partnership with ALM to expand access to industry-leading 3D printing materials. The new collaboration will see ALM add 3D Systems DuraForm PAx material to its portfolio, which will provide customers with access to a unique copolymer specifically designed for use with available Selective Laser Sintering technologies. The companies say that the new partnership will be the first step to address material needs of customers who use SLS technologies from a variety of equipment manufacturers for their application needs. Dr. David Leigh, EVP and CTO for additive manufacturing at 3D Systems, stated, "We're excited to announce this collaboration with ALM not only to expand access to this game-changing copolymer, but to also show what's possible when two industry leaders work towards a shared goal. By joining together, 3D Systems and ALM are not only helping manufacturers innovate more rapidly, but we're also able to redirect our innovation pipelines to create more first-to-market materials. I believe this in turn will also foster future 3D printing technology innovations, thus creating additional options for manufacturers to procure the optimal solution for their application." 3D Systems says that its DuraForm PAx material can be used to manufacture tough, lightweight, production-grade parts for a wide range of applications. The material possesses properties similar to injection molded plastics and features high impact resistance with high elongation at break in any direction. Shares of 3D Systems trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol DDD. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.